Yeah.
His arm is cut off.
Can you sing me a song?
Little Michael Fagan, he was just always singing. Go fall off and go again. Paul Michael Fagan, make it again.
Okay, what about sing me Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. There was your all above